guys, welcome to this lesson on appreciation of oolong tea. Green tea, also known as oolong tea, is one of the 6 basic tea types in China. Oolong tea is a combination of the research and development of green tea and black tea, and its quality is somewhere between the two. It has both the strong flavor of black tea and the fragrance of green tea, and is known as green leaves with red edges. After tasting, it leaves a sweet and fresh aftertaste in the mouth. High-quality oolong tea should be picked from more mature tea tree shoots. That is, when the new shoots of the tea tree form the resident buds, the shoots as small as only having 3 to 4 leaves are picked. The reason for not using young buds or old leaves is that young buds have a higher content of tea polyphenols, resulting in fewer substances that form the aroma of oolong tea. In addition, the leaf tissue is young and tender, which is very easy to be damaged in the green leaf shaking. On the contrary, the tea made from old leaves is not only low in aroma and bland in flavor, but also difficult to create a beautiful shape. That's why when selecting the ingredients for oolong tea, it's important to pay particular attention. Now, let's have a look at the quality characteristics of representative famous oolong teas. The first one is Tieguanyin. The shape of Tieguanyin is characterized by the appearance of dragonfly head and tadpole tail. It has a sandy green color like a toad's back and is darker and heavier. The color of tea water of Tieguanyin is green and bright. The taste is fresh and mellow, with a special aroma. And most of Tieguanyin has a flowery aroma, such as orchid fragrance. This is the quality characteristic of Tieguanyin. Besides, its infused leaf is soft and bright. Well, the second one is Fenghuang Unique Bush, which is also a famous tea from Guangdong. It is oily and slightly curved. Its tea water color is bright orange and yellow, and the flavor is also heavier and richer. The infused leaf is soft and bright, showing a maroon color. This is the quality characteristic of Fenghuang Unique Bush. So both of the teas just mentioned are representative of the oolong shape. One of the curly types is Northern Fujian Oolong Tea, and other is in straight bar shape, which is another shape representative of oolong tea. Not only Southern Fujian Oolong Tea, but also most of the oolong teas from Guangdong and Taiwan are in straight bar shape. So, this is one way to help you to identify and recognize green tea through its appearance. Oolong tea and green tea are produced from the same kind of tea plant, but they differ greatly in whether or not they have undergone the process of fermentation. It is because the catechins in the tea will combine with each other as the fermentation temperature rises, resulting in a darker color, and therefore a reduction in the color and flavor of the tea. The components formed by this combination of catechins are the polyphenols of oolong tea. Oolong tea is a specialty in China, which has been proved by scientific research at home and abroad. In addition to the healthcare functions such as refreshing the mind, eliminating fatigue, relieving heat, and preventing heat stroke with general tea. It also prominently exhibits special efficacy such as preventing cancer, lowering blood lipids, and resisting aging. These are the tasting tips of oolong tea. Did you get it?